What do you say, Adventure Palm? Is it time to barbecue? Well, I guess we better get started. The Oklahoma Joe Longhorn is standing by and ready to go. I guess we better go ahead and get her fired up. With that smoke rolling out, you know there's something cooking in there. I wonder what it is. Pro tip for any novice barbecuers out there. Put a plate on your non-cooking side. That way when you take the food off, you're putting it on a warm plate and not a cold one. It's going to keep your food hot longer. Mystery foil wraps, always hiding something good. My favorite cut of meat, one ribeye, straight to the back. And now, let's do another. Let's take a look inside. Yeah, I'd say it's about time to flip these. Around this place, we like them on the rare side. Now that's what I call a meal. But hey, what else can we throw on the smoker this summer? How about some grilled chicken wings? Everybody loves grilled chicken wings. Or maybe you're in the mood for a burger. There's one for me, one for the wife, and yeah, the little one in the back, of course that's for Adventure Palm. They're made to order if you want to come over. Then again, around here, we never get tired of the ribeyes. What's that? I think I hear you complaining that I'm not smoking anything. Well, all the coals are gone. Good thing the pork loin's already good and smoked. Indirect heat, perfect smoke, give you that nice color every time. Wait a second, I think that's my beer. How about some smoked bacon-wrapped jalapeno poppers? Those are good for any time. Just the way they're supposed to be. We got the smoke rolling today, so it must be time for some smoked sriracha hot wings. Don't those look amazing? Hey, I hope your summer barbecue season was as good as ours. And I'll see you on the next video. The video's over. You can go now if you want. Hey, but before you go, why don't you think about giving me a thumbs up like or maybe even subscribing to my channel? I'd certainly appreciate it.